Excuse me, how do I get to the Res Cafe? Res Cafe? Let's see. Go to the corner and to left. Left. Go to go go to go to block and to right. Right. Around the corner in your train station. Take the train. Take the train. Go through the station. Across the street to the bookstore. Next to the bookstore is a pharmacy. Next to the pharmacy is a Red Cafe. Yes, what is? Let's read again. Corner, left, to block, right, around the corner. You take a train through the station, across the street, bookstore, pharmacy, Red Cafe. Thank you very much. You are very welcome.